Good morning, everybody. It's your boy Big Dre, and Michelle is back there. And it's Cruise Day. I know everybody do that. I just want to do that today. But yeah, y'all, today, me, Michelle, and Lil Dre, wave Lil Dre, we board the Carnival Mardi Gras. And we're so excited. So we're about to head out now and get to the shuttle that's going to take us over to the port. That's like 2 blocks from here, and we getting on this ship today, y'all. Carnival Mardi Gras, here we go. He not clocking in today. He's still tired. All right, y'all.
Come on. We finna take a ride, y'all ain't ready? Let's go.
I got something to say.
It's a family celebration, come and take a ride. We about to celebrate, time to live your life. Taking trips across the globe, we got it going on. I talked to God about some things, we tryna get it going. He told me get up on your grind, tryna beat the odds. Working harder, even smarter with the family ties. I've been praying, so I hustle, giving God's time. Bringing light into the world, so we all shine. Pray, hustle, and travel and repeat, Sit back and relax, put up your feet, pack your bags, come on, we about to take flight. Tripping with Dre and Michelle, yeah, it's a good life. Pray, hustle, and travel and repeat, Sit back and relax, put up your feet, pack your bags, come on, we about to take flight. Tripping with Dre and Michelle, yeah, it's a good life.
So what's up, y'all? It's your boy Big Dre. We're at Big Chicken, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. We're at Big Chicken to get something to eat. And the line is long, but it's moving fast. Big chicken.
That's big chicken over there. Look at big chicken.
So hey y'all, we got some lunch and we went to Big Chicken and I got a Uncle Jerome because I didn't know what I wanted, and then I got a Shack Attack, I believe, with the fries, and then I
And I
passed.
just got an MDE.
And what you get?
MDE.
She got the MDE. Lil Dre got, which flavor you get?
Regular chicken sandwich.
The who?
Regular chicken sandwich.
Regular chicken. How it taste? Pretty good? Okay. Cool. Then I got some jambalaya and some pepper steaks. And of course, Carnival's famous lemonade. I'm about to enjoy this lunch, y'all. Meanwhile, she done got down here on the floor. We waiting on our rooms. And she don't know how she gonna get up. She know her knees fragile as a bag of potato chips. She gonna need some help up. I don't know why she got down there. But apparently, we can go to our rooms now. Yes. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Andre and my family from South Carolina.
We're here with our cousin.
With our cousin.
Yo, what's up, baby? Dr. Trees in the house.
In the building, man. My guy Mike, what's good with you, bro?
What's up, brother?
I see you enjoying yourself.
Oh,
bro.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta definitely hang out.
For sure, man. Y'all see the party's already started, y'all. It's gonna be a crazy week. I can't wait.
This company started 50 years ago with a little ship called the TSS Mardi Gras. It's now 2022 and you are currently on board the biggest, newest ship Carnival Cruise Line has. So let's start this cruise the only way we know how, with a huge party. Are you all ready? Let's do this. 1, 2, 3.
That's what?
edible straw.
Oh yeah.
They nasty as hell. Don't even just drink them. They are. I'm gonna get me something to eat. All right, was they open? They opening back up today?
What's up, y'all? Yeah. The first day of the cruise is always like you be so excited and that adrenaline is going through you. Then you be in this heat, you eat, you have a couple drinks, and it just leaves you a little bit. You get a little tired. You got to come down and be needing a nap. So anyway, y'all. So we've been we had the sail away party. We sat on the Lido, talked to our friend, our family. I'm gonna just start saying our family. Antoinette had fun and some more, and we got something to eat. I wanted to audition for Family Feud, but I guess you got to have 5 people in the group to audition, so that didn't happen. So we're back in the room. Lil Dre is chilling, Michelle is chilling, so just gonna rest up a bit, see what the rest of the night brings. I think they're having karaoke at 7:30, so I might go check that out. And what else? Oh, check out a comedy show and a stage show tonight. So yeah, it's gonna be lit. It's the first day. It's Embarkation Day. People tired. People trying to get acquainted. The ship is huge, and yeah, it's the Mardi Gras, y'all. It's the Mardi Gras experience. Michelle, got anything to add?
I'm tired. I'll check y'all out later.
She'll check us out later. So for this segment, we admire the back of her head.
It look good. That is good.
Oh boy, we'll be back, guys. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Big Dre.
And Michelle.
Once again, we're live from the Carnival Mardi Gras, and this is the first day, Embarkation Day. Pray, hustle, travel, repeat. Trippingwithus.com. Get your own cup. So anyway, y'all, we this is for Embarkation Day. We just going with the flow pretty much today. We don't have anything planned. We just came from the room. Michelle was taking all day to leave the room, so I had to.
Don't believe him. I had to turn the lights off on him for him to get up and get out the room. Don't believe him.
So I had a sweet tooth that came up, and coming to the buffet is the wrong place to when you got a sweet tooth. A lot of this stuff is sugar free.
I'm crying with you, brother. I'm sure.
I don't know what they're going through. So I'm trying this. It's supposed to be pineapple upside down cake.
That's not it.
It definitely tastes sugar free. And it's like, I can't describe it.
I'm eating. Is this chocolate melted? Melted?
Mississippi mud cake.
Oh. This is not for me.
They messed it up when they put this. Like if they would have just left the chocolate in the cake, but there's some, I don't know if it's some nuts or something in there.
The cake is hard.
I
It's
can deal
hard.
with the cake, per se. It's these nuts in here I don't like.
You don't like the nuts.
So that's what we doing, just having some dessert. But this
Yeah.
ain't scratching the itch.
Nah, not at all. It's definitely not.
This ain't scratching the itch.
So yeah, it's pretty much going. I don't know. We're gonna try to catch the comedy show. I don't know if we're gonna make it because we tired.
You tired?
I am tired.
I ain't tired. I'm a young man.
Boy, ooh, you almost said something.
Speaking of young
I
man,
had to be appropriate on YouTube.
speaking of young man, Michelle will be 46 years young tomorrow.
So what you trying to say? I'm a young man? Because I'm definitely not a man.
You a young lady.
Whatever.
So we'll be celebrating Michelle's birthday tomorrow. How you feeling, Michelle?
Same.
The same? Ooh,
What?
this ship
Oh yeah.
is shifting.
Yeah, I feel it now.
Well, y'all,
What you think of that?
tastes like cream coffee. Y'all like tiramisu?
This is gross.
Comment in the comments if y'all like tiramisu.
But yeah, today has been a really, really nice day. Getting on the ship wasn't a long process. I think what time? Is it that bad?
Yeah, the brown part is like a coffee.
It's gross.
Ugh.
I think we made it to the port, what, about 10:45?
Yeah, man. Yeah, we got here to the port about 10:45, and we were on the ship about 11:25. So it wasn't a long process. And shout out to Verifly, because Verifly made things a lot faster.
We did.
So all y'all that was talking junk about Verifly, talking about it don't work, don't use it.
It worked for us.
It worked for us and it worked perfect, and we're gonna use it again on the next cruise.
Yeah, it did. It helped things go by a lot quicker.
A lot quicker. Probably would have went quicker than that, but for some reason Verify wouldn't work for little drays. But
It still went really quick because I had everything out for him. So it still went relatively quick.
So shout out to Carnival for implementing that.
Yeah, because while they was verifying us, the lady had the papers for Lil Dre and was scanning him taking his photo, and we were through.
Yep.
So once they was through with us, they was already through with him.
Yep.
So it wasn't that bad. It wasn't bad at all, I should say.
I must say these ships are now at full capacity. It's a lot of people on this ship.
Mm-hmm. It is. So yeah, we've been rambling for like,
We ain't been rambling, we just been updating.
what else we need to update on? So tomorrow's the sea day.
Yeah. Sea brunch. Sea day brunch. Yes, Lord.
And what else? Oh, tomorrow's my birthday, which we already talked about.
Yes.
And I don't know. I guess we'll see what we get into and shows and stuff we get into. We'll take y'all along on our journey.
Mm-hmm. So, guess we're gonna close day one right here. Michelle?
So if you are not subscribed, if you
Subscribe.
subscribed,
And hold that thought. Hey y'all, we over 700 subscribers, y'all. So I think we may hit monetization before we get this cruise. Hey, come around here.
how are you?
Hey.
Cousin Dre. Shannon Vickery. Hey. Been watching y'all all week.
Really?
How are you? You said Sharon.
Shannon.
Shannon? Where you from, Shannon?
Excited. Alabama.
Alabama.
Alabama, roll tide.
So you've been watching our channel?
Yes, I have.
Wow, that's
I
cool.
have. So excited.
Yeah,
So
so
you'll be making a
well,
few-
you'll be on it the
All
next
right.
vlog.
That's fine with me. That's fine with me. My husband went running.
Really?
There's Cousin Stray. There they are. And he's like, gone.
It'd be like that sometimes.
All right, it's good seeing you
Good
guys.
seeing you too.
We just had a great, in the atrium.
Mhm.
They had an amazing show.
Really?
Really?
Amazing
Is that the
show
one
in the
you had to
atrium.
reserve?
No, I was in the atrium and we were on like the 8th deck, looking down into it. It was great.
Oh wow.
It was great with our son. It was great.
How old is your son?
25.
Okay.
Yeah,
Maybe we'll get to check it out tomorrow.
yeah,
If they have it tomorrow.
yeah. They've got a bunch of shows in the atrium. It was great.
Cool.
What cool.
You'll
Thanks
love
for
it.
letting us know.
All
Well,
right.
at some
Have a
point, we
good
definitely
night.
got to get our picture together too.
Okay.
All right.
It's like that on every
That'd be
cruise.
so cool when people recognize us and talk to us.
Yeah, it
Tell us
really
that
is.
they watched our channel.
Yeah, it really is. So yeah, we might hit monetization. 1,000. We're trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers so bad, and it seems like our channel has been growing and growing for the past month. Like we're averaging almost like 80 subscribers a week, and we're over. Last time I checked earlier, it was like 720. So
So we
yeah.
want to thank all of you who have subscribed to our channel.
Hey.
That's the second time one of them walked past and they were looking and smiling. Two little boys, I don't know. We heard some kids was watching our channel too. Lord knows they don't need to.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so we want to thank everybody that has subscribed to our channel, who has watched the video, liked and commented. Like, we really appreciate you.
Shared
all.
us out.
If you shared us out, we really appreciate that. So if you're new here and you have got to the end of this video, subscribe. You know, give us like the video, leave us a comment, let us know what you liked about the video. You know, we would totally appreciate it. And yeah, we'll talk to y'all soon.
See y'all tomorrow.